Alrighty, Pyros. This is a little something that I threw together for my wedding celebration. Everything I picked up from Sky King at a little last minute hoorah. So we got 6 2-inch boom tubes. These are by the Heavy Load. I'm looking over here. 2-inch Heavy Load. These are purple and green peonies. And it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully my timing isn't too bad. I gotta fill in. This thing is gonna last about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. Oh well. When it comes to the final, it's supposed to hit both of these at the same time. Hopefully I did that one right. I had to really cut the fuse when I did those. Kind of did this stuff last minute while trying to do everything else. I just wanted y'all to kind of get a little sneak peek of what I had coming up later on. Two-inch, 3-inch, 8 on a board. We're gonna call that a EOAB. Anyway, congratulations to me and my wife.
I was gonna say, if you guys like stand and hold hands and like look at each other, I'm gonna lay under you. I'm gonna get a firework above you.
You get 2 here.